Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp business account. So simply at first open your WhatsApp business apps. You can easily download from your App Store or Play Store. I'm already download these apps. Click on to agree and continue. Press on to use this number or use a different number. Select country and enter your phone number. Press on next. I'm already create a account in this number. Just I move personal account to business account. Press on to transfer. Click on to continue or don't allow to create your business name. Okay, and select your business category. Okay, or press on see more category. Select your category. Like select other option. Press on save. Press on next. And you just select open for select all, always open, or select on. Like select always open. Press on save. Click on next. And if you want to change profile picture, okay, I'm not changing this. Press on next. Now I'm skip this and add your address or region, add your website. I'm just add sometime late, so press on skip. Write description. Now I'm select skip. Skip. And now finally click on this account. Okay, just open this. So as you can see, now successfully create a business account. So that's it.